Steven?
I did. Hey, it's good job for you, everybody.
I'm taking a movie. Sweet Janelle, right here. There she is. There's Sweet Kate.
And there's
Sweet Vicky. Sweet Uni. Here's that ugly son of a bitch, Steven. It's his birthday. In 2 days.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, this is mine? Oh, look at this. All right. Yeah, baby. That's my case.
okay, well, the thing is, everyone's going to bring their own plates.
We're going to bring their own plates,
and
okay.
our plates are over there. So it's going to be soon that we're going to ask them to go get their plates.
Okay.
Okay.
It's well plated.
It is. Look at all this stuff.
Oh, here, this is so good. This is for you.
Decky Dot.
Oh, what is this? Sliced?
It's some kind of
Sliced clean peaches.
Oh yeah, you got
Cream peaches?
It says there, sliced clean peaches.
It's not what it is.
No, I don't think that's it. It looks like Thousand Island dressing.
It's fabulous.
Thousand Island dressing.
No, it's not.
On here.
Are you gonna?
Those are low. Yeah.
Are you gonna do it?
Oh, she's gonna do it. She's doing it.
Your mouth is not big enough.
She's gonna find a way.
Oh God, she
That's
did
pure
it.
joy right there.
She did it. Oh jeez.
I like cilantro in your nostril.
There's still several more tortillas. I know I didn't have my. I'm good with one tortilla, so if anyone
Jeff was
wants...
trying to tell me.
Oh my God.
I got a wide angle. It's okay.
Oh.
You know what is darling is your wedding picture that you put up?
Me and mine? Which one? My first marriage, or which one?
I like it.
Oh yeah, that would be the wedding picture that I.
Oh,
would
you're
think
talking
is
about.
darling.
Oh, you're talking about Vicky. I think you're talking about me.
Oh yeah, well I'm usually.
Is that your first or second wedding?
Where those fishing boats with their sails afloat. If I could only see a familiar sunrise through sleepy eyes.
Come on, Kate. Kick in there. Kick in there. Come on.
I don't know the words.
Yeah.
I don't know the words.
He's
Take it home.
giving
Kate.
you a hint.
Gonna be with some of my friends.
La,
Gonna see my baby again.
Come on, Mike.
Maybe I'll be happy again on the blue bayou.
Well, I have water.
Honey, I will do your dishes. That's why I said
Oh,
I will. Oh, nice, Jeff.
Excuse you heard that? I'm sorry.
She's gonna do my dishes, and then another day.
She's gonna do your dishes?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
well, that's
you know
really
what?
nice.
I don't even have a sink.
thought about it.
different.
I've never been an Elvis fan. I never thought about it, but my girlfriends go, crazy. And I went, okay.
Yeah.
But, you know, back in 2004, they had drive-through bars there.
Wow.
You could drive through and get your alcohol, and they had fireworks for sale there, too.
At Graceland?
No, just
in the general
all
area.
freaking area.
Texas is like that.
I was like so drunk, and we were setting off fireworks.
No. Maybe not.
Yeah.
Depends on how active they are.
It's just, you know, I
Live in Brooklyn.
Yeah. I mean, Brooklyn is young, rich, and really good looking. Okay, this is what I did a couple times.
All the
I would fly into
brownstones.
fly into New York. I would hang out in Brooklyn, rich and really good looking. And then I would fly into Chicago on my way home, and they were fat and old.
Isn't that interesting?
And then I would fly into Sacramento, where they were just, well, that was us.
Somewhere between fat and old and young.
Yeah.
And I don't know if this is true or not. Whenever you get goosebumps when somebody's giving you a massage, it means that they're actually.
They have it.
Cheers.
Cheers, happy birthday to everybody. Because everyone has a birthday sometime.
Exactly.
Want a little glass of water?
Cheers.
This is for the video.
What do you want?
Yeah, water, sure. Yeah.
Okay, there's a glass of water.
Thank you.
This is
Thanks for the
clever.
water.
This
Cheers.
is skyline.
Should we play some music and start dancing?
Yeah.
Yes.
Tom Petty said, never slow down, never grow old.
Slow down, never grow. Yeah.
We saw
That's
him,
the
like,
thing about the birthday hike.
That's it.
That's why it's important to
That's why
do
it's
those hikes.
Yes.
No, he's not getting a napkin.
There he is. Go on, finish it up. Go on. This is a movie.
I think it is totally finished. We don't have to wash it.
Okay, Stephen, we're done with you.
Yes.
Now it's Kate.
Okay, now we have to decide, are we going to the dock or are we going?
I don't know the difference, so I can.
Okay, one is a walk,
Right.
and we're just going to go for a photograph. I think we should
The
maybe
dock
do
is
that.
farther.
The dock is that way.
That's a longer walk.
Oh, but it's just
There's
a
a song
simple
about
walk.
that.
Yeah.
And that's for the photo.
That's for the
And then
photo.
the other walk
is up. Is,
Oh,
What's in its
to
top?
that.
well, that's just.
Thank you.
Always looking for soft spots. Look at it. Got something for you.
Everybody.
What is it?
Oh, there's a bird right there.
We're visiting.
Thanks for coming by.
Singing.
Tequila sunrise.
Maybe that's what attracted it.
The singing.
Is it singing?
Yeah, because she flew right
Oh,
onto the branch.
won't you find me?
Okay.
Jeff, I need you to do things.
Yep.
Put this on the table, and then you can go sit down.
Okay.
Just the mint, basil,
Okay,
lunch.
I'm passing this way, if I can.
I don't think so.
No.
You have to go that way.
Put it on
Oh,
the
no, it's
space.
already
All
that
right, Mike, here's yours.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got it.
Not as much as Michael.
Oh no, I just know who I was feeding.
Oh my goodness, this smells so good.
There we go.
This is all foreign food.
It's from the foreign
I
lenders.
gotta feel like I'm doing something, you know?
No, isn't it?
Oh, you did it.
Thank you,
yeah.
Susan, for all you've done.
Thank you, Susan, for being the assistant.
Great. Yeah. I'll take Jeff's, and then I'll take yours, and then I'll,
Oh, I can be last, honey.
I know.
Okay.
Well, unless we have American Indian food, it's all foreign food.
That's true. That's a good point.
All furnished.
And how are you
Well,
in the
unless
world
it's
of
no
eating?
reach and food, it's all foreign.
That's right.
Yeah, I can shake a little bit of that off.
Stephen, don't you think you've had enough?
Not yet.
Hardly, huh?
Thank you. Oh, God, it looks and smells just so
Good.
yummy.
I was saying it's very nice. I go kayaking with this woman in the winter, and she just gets in and swims and tells me it's warm. Yeah.
What I would say about this is, try a little bit, see if you like it.
Oh, you're going to love it.
You're not going to be able to sleep now.
That's right. I wasn't sleeping.
Uh-oh. Ice cream? We're in trouble. Danger, Will Robinson, danger.
Here she comes.
This is my homemade butterscotch.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my God.
Kate!
It has bourbon in it.
There's bourbon in it. Any good butterscotch.
I think I'm going to pass on this.
Mike says he doesn't want any.
Oh,
Hey,
okay.
Vicky.
Mr.
Go.
Mr. Jeffrey, you
Chubb.
want some of this?
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Come on, Mike.
Beg for
you.
it. Beg for it.
Mike,
Beg
no,
for it.
please.
Little baby.
Vicky, you're going to have some Kahlua? No?
No, thank you.
That's nice. It's nice.
Hey, doctor.
With a PH.
Happy birthday to you. That is my real singing voice. This is why I do not join you in singing.
Oh my God, that was powerful.
Powerful.
That's the most powerful.
Yeah, my eyes are
My
watering.
eyes are bleeding.
My eyes are watering and my blood's coming out of my ears. It was really good.
You and Carol Burnett.
Oh my God.
That was,
Happy birthday.
it was soul felt.
All of this beautiful.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you,
The
dear.
The most passionate happy birthday I've ever heard in my life.
It was like a howl.
She learned it from Charlie.
This is how I
Painful.
My teeth, north and south. And if I ever lose my mouth, and hey, I'm being followed by a moon shadow, moon shadow.
Thank you.